Welcome to Grow Your Own Food, a beginner's guide to sustainable gardening. Episode 1: Why you should start growing your own food. Now more than ever. Have you noticed something strange happening at the grocery store? Prices are rising. Shelves aren't always stocked. And that sense of reliability, that food will always be there when we need it, is starting to fade. It's not your imagination. Our global food system is under stress, and the cracks are showing more and more every year. Climate change is disrupting growing seasons. Droughts, floods, wildfires. They're all making it harder for farmers to grow the crops we depend on, and when one region is hit, the effects ripple across the entire world. On top of that, the supply chains that move food from farm to table are fragile. Just-in-time delivery systems mean stores carry only a few days' worth of inventory. If something breaks, a truck doesn't arrive, fuel prices spike, or a labor shortage hits, food doesn't move, and shelves go empty. We've also become dangerously dependent on large-scale industrial agriculture. A handful of companies control a huge percentage of what we eat. That's efficient until it isn't. When those systems are disrupted, there's no backup. Then there's inflation. Even when food is available, many people simply can't afford it. And while prices keep rising, the quality of food is often going in the other direction, stripped of nutrients, processed, and packed with chemicals. So here's the truth. The more disconnected we are from our food, the more vulnerable we become. But there is a way forward. You don't need to grow everything you eat to make a difference. Growing even a portion of your own food gives you independence. It puts nutrition back in your hands. And it builds real resilience for you, your family, and your community. You don't need a farm. You don't even need a yard. You just need a bit of knowledge, a little time, and the willingness to start. In this video series, we'll explore how anyone can grow food, using raised beds, hydroponic systems, aquaponics, and simple DIY setups that work even in small spaces. Step by step, I'll show you how to build systems that feed you and bring peace of mind in uncertain times. This isn't just about gardening, it's about reclaiming something essential: your ability to provide. Welcome to Securing Our Food. Subscribe and join me on this journey, because the future of food starts at home.